Yeah, I'm recording it. It's going down in history. What's outside, Ava? What's outside? What's outside? Thunderstorm? We were outside, and I was showing her the rain, and she didn't want to come back inside. Because Ava likes rain. She's like a weather person. Ava, well, maybe one day you could be like Al Roker and go where there's tornadoes. Tell your future self why you're sad. Say, I like rain. Let's go film it. Ooh. Sorry, I'm just trying to get some video of it. Hey. Woo. What is it like outside? Whoa. Do you know that rain's actually cold? Yeah, I thought it was going to be like warm, but it's actually cold. It's like hot outside, but it's, yeah, cold rain. Ava, do you love the rain? I'm trying to record you as you look at the rain. Huh? Yeah, September storms, thunderstorms.